Delhi could be heading for big power cuts from tomorrow. Reliance-backed power distribution company BYPL has written a letter to Delhi government and Delhi electricity regulation companies to say that its financial condition isn't sound.
BYPL says it has no funds to buy 500 megawatts of power from power generating companies. This is about a third of what Delhi consumes. The companies have warned that there may be load shedding for up to 10 hours every day because of the shortfall.
Well, BYPL has sought immediate assistance from the government, saying otherwise East and Central Delhi could face up to 10 hours of power outages starting tomorrow.
This news coming, of course, after the Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi ordered an audit of power distribution companies in the capital. It also ordered power distribution companies to subsidize power rates for consumers by up to 50%. Our correspondent Jaskirat Singh Bawa now joins us live for more on this story. Jaskirat, this announcement coming from power distribution companies that they would have to start load shedding for up to 10 hours a day in Delhi, is it being seen as a pressure tactic by them for the government to go back on that 50% power tariff cut?
Well, the certain quarters of the government are certainly presenting this as a arm-twisting pressure tactic by the power companies to try and impact a decision from the government itself. Now, the power company, specifically in this case, we're talking about the BSES Yamuna power company. What they are saying is that the previous government did not allow them much leverage to increase the power tariffs, and this government is hell-bent upon decreasing the power tariffs, and as a result of which they're not being able to pay their dues. So they are actually thinking of cutting back on at least 500 megawatts of power. This is going to impact the East Delhi, which is the Trans-Yamuna area, as well as the walled city, which is the Chandni Chowk and surrounding area. So it is given to understand that this could also impact some of the power supply that the DMRC gets for the metro lines that actually run through these respective areas. So certainly this will not go down very well with a huge conventional and traditional citizenship of at least the state of Delhi. So it remains to be seen just how the government of Delhi will be responding to this statement by the power companies suggesting that in the next few days, 8 to 10 hours of power cut could be faced by the Delhi residents.
Right, and what are these companies saying on their part? How are they explaining this sudden crisis? We know there is a standoff that's been brewing between the DISCOMs and, of course, the Delhi government. But what explains this sudden crunch, this sudden crisis that seemed to have come upon these companies?
That's actually the interesting bit. For what the power companies are maintaining is that this is not really a sudden crisis, but it does seem from their reaction that it is only after this new government that has come in, and especially with this new government's agenda to try and cut the power tariffs by at least half, have the power companies actually taken a step forward to suggest that 8 to 10 hours of power cut is what would be required to subset or offset rather the losses that they will be facing as a result of the increased demand for power. And of course, the fact that these companies are actually running out of money. They are also suggesting that the banks are not ready to give them loans because theirs is not a very financially healthy option or a financially healthy investment being considered by the banks given the current scenario.